What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. We got the new birds in. Laying since a lifestyle. Oh, just came in fresh today. 2 boxes. Heitzman, Sions. Coming out of High Flying Loft. Mr. Steve. So we're gonna unbox these. Make sure everybody alive and well. Still got to do some work on the loft. Okay, we got 3 on one side, 2 on the other. All white. Hey, how was y'all trip? Had a nice trip or what? So that box is all good. Appreciate it, Steve. High Flying Loft. Oh, this feels like a cock, but he calm like a hen. Let's see. Whoa. See that wing spread? Nice. All white. '26 bird. Got some pretty eyes. Nice bird. Calm. Welcome home, buddy. Feel like a cock. He kind of thick, but he's not aggressive. I think I need to put some wood right there so they can grip that better. Put like a little piece of wood. I gotta put the nest boxes in there. Well, I mean, I gotta put the bedding. Put the bedding in there and some straw. This your new home, buddy. Welcome home. All right. We got more birds to go. I should have wrote them band numbers down. Probably could just say it. So it's the cocks that be grunting. Look at him, he grunting. It might be. Hey, buddy. How you doing? $20 3564 203564. He gonna fly fast. He kind of aggressive. I know y'all house not finished. I gotta finish it up. I hope you don't mind me working in here while you live in here. They come, they chill. Who's next? You next. Yeah. How you doing? You glad to get out the box? What you talking about? Hey, calm down. He acting like a cockbird. He kind of aggressive. Calm down. Hey, let me see that band number. 203521. Hey, how you doing? Okay, go ahead, buddy. Hey, how you dad?
Oh, yes. They all white?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Heitzman Sions. This is number.
They was already banded already?
Yeah, baby.
With the band, mean that what?
They can enter a race if they banned it, and then that's just a tracking number.
Yeah.
We're making a video.
Like if somebody find them and Tremaine posted and hear a number and they catch them and they'll bring them back.
Hey, calm down, calm down.
Their eyes is pretty.
Yeah.
They well alert.
How many?
This number 5. Hold on. No, this number 4 right here. I don't know exactly until I open up the other box. Band number 203.
It's not in order.
579.
It's not in order. Like the band, like, you know.
So you writing that down or something?
I'm making a video. I'll just go back on the video.
What video at? Where you throwing it?
You doing it right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, sorry. I don't like to do
You on that now, dude?
And this one, because I had babies and leaders.
Okay,
and my
this
baby
number
get
5.
babies, the doves. They got 2 babies.
See these?
They sitting on right here.
oh, they are?
They
Hey,
never
hey,
had
hey,
babies
calm
on
down,
the
calm down.
cruise. They're not
You
able to
home
have
now.
babies.
You had a long trip? These birds came out of Florida. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, easy,
This one was
easy,
a baby.
easy.
This one is about 4 weeks. About a month.
These
Got 2 of them at the bottom.
came out of Florida.
But they like these.
High flying loft. Heitzman Sions. Unboxing.
Talking on there, I ain't even-
Checking him out. Man, he looked a little injured right there. He'll be alright. Number 5. Band number 203 523.
This one is very pretty. Look at her eyes. Look around her eyes. She's very open. That one too at the bottom. Very
So you got
pretty.
something to put in the nest up there?
I got a little straw I gotta put in there.
You need a latch on the inside.
I do need a latch on the inside.
Yeah, because if it come up, they get out, you'll lose them.
I don't like that one. The face. He look like he playing. Oh, he a fresh must be a baby, huh?
All of them this year birds. They all
Oh, look at that one.
probably about 2 months old.
Yeah, he pretty fresh.
Meanwhile, you can stick a wedge up here while you're in here. See here? From the inside where you're at. Stick it so and just to hold it like that.
But I have to
What?
stick it from the outside. I want the wedge ain't gonna work from the inside.
Well,
I'm
that ain't
gonna
gonna
just
stay
put
there. No.
a piece of string, something on there.
Because it's coming open.
Yeah. Check and make sure they piece of string or something from there.
There's the pool right here. I like the
All right. Box number 2. See what we got in here. Hey, buddy. Hey, I got y'all some food and water down there. I know you had a long trip, so help yourselves. The food and water is right down there. You know, this is your new home. Welcome home. Thanks for joining me. So I'll finish your house soon. Under construction. You gotta get them birds comfortable. You gotta let them know. What we got in here? What we got in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Hey. Calm down. Get you out first. You're a little aggressive. You're a little big. I think this is a cop.
Yeah, stick that in there. Kind of shove it in there.
Yeah.
That'll work while you're in there.
Yeah. Hey. Calm down. I think this is gonna be a male. He a little aggressive. Hey, calm down. Hey. Calm down. Band number 203-529. 529. Put a piece of wood up there,
A what?
like some kind of wood up there for them to
Stand on?
yeah, but they like standing on wood, get a better balance.
Hey.
Oh man, I can't do nothing with that right now.
Where you gonna put it?
Put it in the freezer. I'm gonna get it.
Hold it.
Give it to mom.
Put it in the freezer,
Put it in the
man.
freezer. Kind of busy right now. Hey. This bird a little smaller. He got 2 bands on. That's good. Okay. This bird is double band. 523 and a red band. $6.90. A red snap band. Hey. This is number 7. Band number. Hey, come here. 586.
So you get about 10. How many more in there?
2. It was 10. Number 8, he pretty big, healthy. $593. Band number 593. Nobody found the food yet. That's a shark.
Yeah, that's good. Once you leave out there, yeah, they know they're in a new spot. You home.
All right, the last one. Number 10. They all made it alive. $520. Band number 520.
And where they come from?
These birds came out of Florida. High flying loft. Mr. Steve. Port St. Lucie. Port St. Lucie. $93 a box. Express. It made it to Houston this morning at 7 o'clock. Then made it to Beaumont at 11. Was delivered about 2 o'clock. Hey. We're gonna be a hen. They gotta pair up and make me some babies.
So they never been tried out before?
They young.
Oh, okay.
They only about 2 months old, 2-3 months. Never flown before. So that's the new Sions. I'm gonna let them get used to their little habitat and get some food and water. Then I gotta fix it up, get some loft. Oh, he kinda. Alright. What y'all think about the new birds? Let me know in the comments. Peace.